It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hello everyone and welcome to Technology with AK. In this new video, I'll be going to teach you guys two methods to disable your startup programs. These two methods are for both Windows 10 and 11 as well. It will benefit you in terms of improving the time when you reboot your PC and in terms of speeding up your system as well. So let's get started. So for the first method, open Start and search for Startup. Open the settings. And these are all the apps that can be disabled or enable at the startup. For example, I do not use any of these apps except of Microsoft Edge on the startup, so I'll just disable these all. And now these are disabled. So this was the basic ideology for the first method. The second method is to right click on this taskbar and go to Task Manager, or you can just click on Control Shift and Escape for the shortcut, and this pop-up will get opened. Just click on More Details and go to Startup. And these are again all the same apps or programs that you can disable or enable. So I have already disabled all of them, so you can just click on the program you want to disable and right click on it and click on disable, or from here you can also click on enable or disable as well. And these are the two methods to disable your startup programs in Windows 10, and the same process for Windows 11 as well, and it will also benefit you in terms of speeding up your system as well. So this is the end of the video. If the video was helpful, so please like the video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.